Okay, so today we're going to graph linear equations. When you see linear equation, you notice the word line. These are equations for a line. So we're going to use this equation here. It's kind of like our formula. It is our recipe. It is exactly what we need to do, and we continuously follow it. We're graphing a line, so if we're looking here, lines we know go on forever. In whatever direction that they head, they go forever. So this is our x-axis, and this goes forever in both directions. So eventually this line is going to cross all the stuff on x, right? Most lines would. So we're just going to put 0, 1, 2, and 3. You could put any values in that you want. I like to use these ones because they're easy numbers to work with. I always like to put 0 in because I want to know where does it cross this y-axis at. So this is a continuous substitution problem. I also think of it as like an if-then situation. It's called an xy chart, but if x is this, then y will be this. So I'm continuously substituting in for x, 0 for x plus 3. 0 plus 3 makes 3. Substitute in for x. 1 plus 3 makes 4. Substitute 2 in for x. 2 plus 3 makes 5. 3 plus 3 makes 6. If x is this, then y will be this. So these are my ordered pairs. They're my coordinates. So I'm going to label this out. And it looks like we're going up to 6 here. Lines go forever in both directions, but I'm just labeling far enough that I need to. Then I'm going to plot my points. 0, 3, so I go 0, 3, right there. 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. So I have my points. Notice it's in a straight line, and it's going to continue forever in both directions. Yeah, my slope here is 1 because it's going up 1 and over 1. And my y-intercept, that's where it crosses the y-axis, is at the point 0, 3. A different example, right? This is maybe a little bit more complicated, but I can use the same ideas. It's going to be a line. It's going to go forever in both directions. I like 0, 1, 2, 3. You could plug in any numbers and it would be fine. So in this case, I'm using this formula here. 2 times whatever x is, in this case 0, plus 2. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4. 2 times 2 plus 2, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And then I can graph that accordingly. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just give me some there. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is important that your scale is consistent along the x-axis. If I'm going by ones, I must always go by ones. If I'm going by ones here, I got to keep going by ones here. If I pick twos, that's fine. I just have to go by twos. Your scale has to be consistent. Then I graph my points. 0, 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8. So you will notice that this line is steeper than the first line here. Right, this is steeper. That means it has a greater slope because you'll notice it's going by twos. So that's showing I'm going up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. That's called your slope. It's the steepness of the line. That is graphing linear equations.